We went on a dog hunt trying to find some things, but we are back in business here and we are going to keep going. So I have these things to put on right now. This is going to lock this all together. I'll put these corner pieces like this. So like I said, I don't worry about the white showing through on those parts because no one's going to see it. There you go. Better. Alright, let's keep going here. What else do I need? I need one of these long ones back here. Like that. And I need okay. Let's see what I'm missing here. I'm missing a piece. Got it. It's like, wait a minute, that doesn't add up math-wise, but there you go. Like that. That's better. Because now it makes that nice ridge there. And possibly gonna do it, yep, same thing on the other side. It's like this. That, and then that, and we have two more that go across. Yep. Make sure that's on there like that. And that's on there like that, and there we go. Okay, now I take one here. That's going to be a flat one. Do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to take these two pieces like this, and this one like that. Oh, and I forgot one in the center. There we go. Just like that. Okay? Then I think I'm going to put this one. Yeah, you know what? I'm going to put this one there. So then I'm going to put this here. Whoop. That. This one like that. This is going to go here, like that. Yep. I'm going to complete this off, and I need them hanging over. So I've got this one here. And I'll do this here. And this one is going to be like this. There's one there. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to switch this up for a second. Yeah, I'll put that brown one back there. This one goes here. There we go. That one goes there, just like that. And that's perfect. I'll put these over here. Then I'm going to take these two squares, 2x2s, and this little swivel deal here, and it's going to go on the side of the building. Oops. And don't use the building to stabilize anything. There we go. That's where that goes. And then I've got these. I remember what I told you about these. These are cool. So I'm gonna put this one here. I'm basically just gonna move this around. Yeah, this desk doesn't work too well like that. Hold it like this. Just like that. See it? Got this little thing here. This one here. Just like that and like that. And then we're going to do the back. Okay? Just like that. And this one's going to go here, just like that. And this one's going to go here, just like that. And as you can see, it's putting on those details, you know. Just like that. Then this one's going to go right here, just like that. And this one goes on the corner side. I knew that was going to happen, so I'm going to take this off of here for a hot minute, because I got to put this back on there. It's better if I do this without that in the way. Sure these are all secured pretty good, and then, you know, got the same detail here. So yeah. All right, let me put this back together for a second. That's the desk. This is the chair, and there you go. You know, detail all the way around. You know, just really cool detail all the way around. All right. Subscribe, like, comment. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.